I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting up access and clarifying legality. Create or sign into your Chomik account and verify your email so download features unlock. While you do that, confirm the book's legal status, ISBN, publisher rights, or public domain, because you should only download lawful copies. Next, collect precise metadata, exact title, author spelling, ISBN, and preferred file format like PDF or EPUB. Once done, open Chomik Search and use the clean metadata to target results. This saves time and avoids irrelevant files. Now you refine and inspect results to find a safe copy. Use exact title searches in quotes, add the author or ISBN, and include format filters like PDF or EPUB to narrow hits quickly. When results appear, examine file size and upload date. Very small files can be incomplete, while very old uploads may be corrupted. Read user comments and ratings to assess authenticity and quality. If the host provides a preview or thumbnail, open it. That quick check often confirms the book and prevents wasted downloads. Finish by obtaining the file legally and handling errors. If a file is private or restricted, message the uploader to request permission rather than bypassing controls. If the file looks unauthorized or low quality, prioritize buying from the publisher or checking a library. This protects you legally and supports authors. For failed downloads, clear your browser cache, try another browser, or disable interfering extensions. If problems persist, contact Chomik support or the uploader. One tip: keep a note of file name, size, and uploader to report issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.